Here's how you can make a torn paper monster. You're going to have some glue, a little paper stick to use with your glue, and some paper. Make sure that you never tear the big piece of paper. That's what you will glue everything else to. And we will put your name on it for you. And your section. Next, you're going to take the biggest of the little pieces of paper. Remember, we're never going to tear that piece of paper. And you can tear the shape of your monster. Think about, will he be tall and skinny, short and fat, long? What do you want him to look like? So get an idea and then go ahead and start tearing. Use both hands. You should tear him on all sides. You can save the paper that you are tearing to use for other parts of your monster. There. Now I'm going to use my glue to glue him down.
Did I hear someone say glue?
That's right, yes, I said glue.
I'm here to remind everyone, ... not a lot.
Thank you so much for that, Mr. Glue. Yes, we'll talk about ... not a lot. So just like Mr. Glue said, when you're using glue, remember ... not a lot. That means the only puddle of glue should be the one that I give you. All the other glue that you use should be just dots. Just little dots. It only takes a few, and you've got enough glue to glue down your whole body for your monster. That's plenty. Then we flip it over and stick it down and rub. And then I like to hold it and count to 20 in my head. Then it should stick. Now I'm going to speed up the rest of the video, but I want you to work slowly, okay? So I'm not really working as fast as it seems like. I'm speeding up the video and it makes it look like I'm going quickly. Before we start working, let's talk about some of the rules when we're doing this activity. Should you put your fingers in the glue?
No, of course not. Never put your fingers in the glue. Just don't do it. And don't put glue on your clothes or your hands or the table. Glue only goes on paper.
And remember Mr. Glue's rule ... not a lot. There should not be rivers and lakes of glue on your project, only tiny raindrops. Make sure that you keep your trash on the table, okay? Do not push trash on the floor. If it falls on the floor, you need to pick it up. And you need to put it on a part of the table where it won't get knocked off. And then at the end of class, don't run to the trash can with it. Please keep it on the table. And I will ask you to push it to one corner. Then I can come by with a bucket and we can push it in together, okay? So please make sure again, that you do not tear the big piece of paper, because that's what everything gets glued down to. And I think we'll have a great time making our torn paper monsters.